Hi, this is Brad Linder from Liliputing, and today I'm looking at a new Classmate PC from company CTL. They rebrand these Classmates as the To-Go PC. I don't know how well you can see that there, but it's they put out a couple of these before, previously with a 9-inch screen, one with a touch screen that had a swivel display. What makes this one different is the fact that it includes a 10.2-inch screen, or is it 10.1? It's about a 10-inch screen. This is similar to many netbooks that you're going to find in the market, except for the fact that this one's really designed more for educational use and use in a classroom, whereas most of the netbooks that you pick up from Amazon or other stores or Best Buy or whatever are going to have more of a consumer focus. And so let's take a quick look around and show you some of those design elements. First of all, you've got a built-in handle, which makes it sort of easy to carry around. There's also this cover, which honestly it doesn't do much for me. And I imagine it probably helps prevent it from getting too scuffed up, and it allows teachers or others to put information if they want to put some labels or something on it. Around the sides, you'll see that you've got 2 USB ports, microphone, headphone, Ethernet, power. On this side, you've got another USB, so it's a total of 3. A flash card reader, a VGA port, a vent, Kensington key lock, speakers up front. The bottom has one large access panel and a vent. So this access panel, you should be able to change the hardware that's inside, the RAM, the hard drive, etc. Although when you order these from CTL, I believe if you order in bulk quantities, they'll actually do some of those customizations for you. You have a couple of status LEDs up here and the power button. Webcam near the top, microphone down here. And one thing that I really like about this machine is the touchpad, which is nice and wide and has a really excellent texture. It's easy to detect it when you sort of scroll over from the sides. You've got a scroll area over here and plenty of room to move around on. The mouse buttons are kind of squishy compared to what you get from a typical netbook or laptop, but they're actually very easy to push, don't require a lot of pressure, and that might be something that's good for children. The keyboard, the keys are a little bit small, but it's definitely much larger, much more comfortable than the earlier Classmate PCs that I've used with 9-inch displays. I can touch type on this pretty easily, whereas the other ones had very sort of cramped keyboards. And let's go ahead and turn it on. I'll show you some of the software that is also customized for classroom use, among other things. It ships with Windows XP, and Microsoft Works, Microsoft PowerPoint Viewer. It also has FB Reader, which is an ebook reader, which is a nice thing to have for classroom use. The Foxit PDF reader as well. There's a webcam application. And one thing that I thought was interesting is that it includes the blue Dolphin software. This is the same application that's used on a touchscreen version. And you can see it's got these large icons that seem like they're sort of begging to be touched, but in this case there is no touchscreen, so you can launch your applications from this window, and you can configure this window if you're a teacher or something else, and want to change the quick launch, for example, and give children certain access to certain applications. Up here you can also turn the screen off, adjust the menu, and so forth. So there you go. There's the CTL To-Go PC with a 10-inch screen. This is Brad Linder for Liliputing.